Today's book is Curious George Goes to School. Here's George 학교 가네요. Oh, do you see the man with the yellow hat? And George are going to school. Let's have a look. What's happening in school? It says, Welcome, 어서 오세요. They're going in. It was open house at George's school, so the man with the yellow hat had come to school with George. 오픈 하우스는요, 우리 친구들이 학교 다니는데 엄마, 아빠들이 아이들 어떻게 생활하는지 보기 위해서 open, the school is open. 한 날이 오픈 하우스예요. 짠! Art room, 미술실인가 봐요. I want to speak to your teacher, the man said. Wait for me, George, and don't get into trouble. 말썽 부리면 안 된다. 여기서 기다려. And George was standing in front of the art room. He opened the door and peeked in. 열어서 보았더니 Mr. Williams, the art teacher, was cleaning up. 우리 학부모님들 오시니까 청소하려고 이렇게 치우고 있었어요. 그런데 조지가 들어왔죠. There we go. Hello, George, he said. My students will be coming with their parents today to show them their work. 오, 우리 친구들이랑 이제 학부모님들이 들어오실 거야. 그들의 작품을 보기 위해서 말이지. The walls of the art room were covered with all the students' paintings. 와, 우리 친구들 페인팅으로 완전히 벽이 덮어져 있네요. 멋져요. There were paintings of dancers and farmers and racing car drivers and ice skaters. 우리 친구들이 여러 작품을 만들었어요. Oh, there are names. There's David, Susan, Rick, Alan, Alice, Donald. On one wall was a chart with the names of all the children. Each name had a star beside it except for 누구 이름만 별이 없어요? Except for Alice's name. 무슨 일일까? Why not the star here? Poor Alice, said Williams. She said she left her painting on my desk, but I can't find it. 분명히 냈다고 하는데 앨리스 작품만 없어요. 어디 간 걸까? Here, George. Why don't you paint a picture while you wait for your friend? 우리 옐로우 아저씨 아니고 the man with the yellow hat 아저씨 기다리는 동안 여기 페인트 하라고 선생님이 주시네요. So George began to paint. 초록색. She's using green paint. What is it painting? Do you think it's a tree? Maybe. Keep painting. 계속해, George, said Mr. Williams. I'll be right back. And off he went. 어디 갈 데가 있나 봐요. 나가신대요. George kept painting, but it was starting to get very warm in this room. 어떡해요. 점점 더워지는 것 같은데. So on a nearby table sat a big fan. 여기 big fan이 있네요. 이거 틀면 좀 시원할 텐데. That would cool him off. George turned it on. 역시나 스위치를 on, 켰어요. But as soon as he did, 그렇게 하자마자 어떤 일이 일어났을까요? The fan blew the paintings off the walls and all over the room. 와, 페인팅이 막 날아다니네요. George, cried Mr. Williams, running into the room. 들어오면서 George라고 소리쳤어요. Look what you have done. 이것 봐, 너가 어떤 짓을 했는지. 엄청 지저분해졌어요. Mr. Williams가 엄청 깨끗이 청소했는데. Mr. Williams turned off the fan. 팬을 끄고요. You'd better help me clean up, George, he said. 나를 도와서 청소하는 걸 도와줘야 한단다. George picked up the papers up off the floor. Some were under Mr. Williams' desk. 이것 봐요. Under Williams' desk. 밑에 데스크 밑에도 막 떨어져 있어요. 조지 너무 착하지 않아요? One was stuck between the desk and the wall. 데스크랑 wall 사이에 하나가 stuck 돼 있는데 어디 있는지 알아요? 맞아요. 여기 있잖아요. The paper was stuck. 뭘까요? What do you think this one is? When George pulled it out, it was covered with dust, as if he has been there for a long time. 꺼내봤더니 먼지로 쌓여 있어요. 꼭 오랫동안 거기 있었던 것 같아요. It was a painting of a little girl riding a horse. 어떤 여자아이가 horse를 타고 있네요. That's Alice's missing paint. 이거 바로 앨리스가 잃어버렸던 페인팅이래요. cried Mr. Williams. Now I can give Alice a star. 이제 앨리스 star 받을 수 있어요. When the paintings were all hanging on the walls again, the students and their parents arrived. 이제 페인팅이 다 월에 붙여졌을 때 학부모님들 그리고 아이들이 도착했어요. There was Alice's painting. There was a star on her painting. And there was, whose painting is this? George's painting right beside it. 우와, 우리 친구들 페인팅 이제 다 있네요. 따란! Are you happy? Alice got a star too. Now Alice's name on the chart had a gold star next to it. Thank you for finding my painting, George, said Alice. I like your painting too. You should have a gold star. 너 페인팅도 정말 멋져. 너도 골드 스타 받아야 돼. 라고 앨리스가 친절하게 말해줘요. 받았어요. gold star. I agree. 나도 그렇게 생각해, said Mr. Williams. And he gave George a big gold star. 그런데 이름 옆에 이름이 없으니까 여기 가슴 위에 붙였어요. Now he looks so pleased. That was all about Curious George Goes to School.